Hey YouTubers, how's it going? So I'm gonna play something funny. You will hear it, but me and Rasper might blame each other, but let's play it.
We're gonna play as Christine Pass Gas. Let's play it.
That's what we're doing right now, but it wasn't me.
Okay.
Alright, let's do this.
I started. Okay, let's you. And blame Christine for some fast gas, y'all.
I never do that! Okay, here we go, guys. Hold on, guys. I'm gonna play it louder. Hold on. Okay, there we go. You'll hear it.
Christine Claudia, y'all. You see her fast gas. Make sure y'all like and subscribe and say Christine got her dirty butt.
I do not got a dirty butt. Oh my gosh, that's just hilarious. Okay, let's play again. Right.
You got a dirty butt. You got a dirty butt.
I do not got a dirty butt. Okay, let's do this.
You got a dirty butt.
I do not. Okay, guys, let's play this
You got a
again.
dirty butt.
Oh gosh, who did that? Who did that? Who did that? Rasper, was that you?
You.
That was you?
You know what I did? I was there. That was you there, Christine. No, me.
That was okay. Let's do it again.
That was Christine. You all know it was.
All right. Oh gosh!
Hey, Christine, say excuse me.
I didn't do it. That came from YouTube.
No, it was you. I heard you.
Gosh,
Come
Rasper, what did you eat?
Don't lie. Don't lie on YouTube now. Oh, lying on YouTube.
Okay, let's do another one.
My turn.
Oh wait, guys, let's do the whoopee cushion one. You guys are on YouTube. Let's hold on. Don't worry, guys. We're just being silly here. Okay, there we go.
Y'all was made a dime.
Advertisement. Okay, that was a soft one. I'm gonna explain it, but oh well. Okay, let's do this. Oh crap, what the heck? Oh well.
That was a wet one.
It is.
You took a wet one?
Yeah. So guys, if you got any...
Wait.
If
you said yeah, you went too well. You're that going to think you're rather.
So guys, if you want any more funny sounds, just comment down below and we'll see what we can do. So let's continue on. What the heck? Dang. Who would have done that?
Christine did it.
No, I didn't. That's a whoopee cushion. And guys, I don't want to sit on a whoopee cushion. Don't worry. I will not sit on it. I will be embarrassed. That wasn't me, guys. That wasn't me.
Definitely was you this time.
Guys, that wasn't me. Who would have done that?
Yo.
I know, right?
was a wet one, bro. You a wet one,
That was
bro?
a wet one, Christine. Damn.
That wasn't me. Okay, let's do this again. All right, I'm gonna blame on Rasper. Watch this.
Christine, you
Rasper,
stay.
are you serious? Why'd you do that?
Christine, you stay. That's you.
Why'd
I
you
know it's
do
you because you know
that?
how to do it.
That's
Christian,
not
if that
me,
was
Christine.
you did that.
That wasn't me. It was Christine. I heard Christine.
My first name.
All right, moving on. Dang, what
God
the
damn.
heck?
Damn, bro. You see a wet one, bro.
Guys, you're not gonna
Oh,
blame
so
on me. You're
wet.
not gonna blame
What's
on
up,
me.
that wet?
Damn. Holy crap. Guys, I just said holy crap. I didn't say S-H-I-T. Crap is not a curse word. Oh crap. Dang. Okay, that's all for that. Okay, let's check this out. Oh, it won't let us play. Oh well, let's find another one. Okay, let's try this one. Holy crap. Damn. Okay, guys, let me get this straight. How many, if you sit on a whoopee cushion, how many times you gonna sit? Like 1, 2 times? Oh God. I guess that's all we have for you today. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys soon.